We had one instance where a newly onboarded customer called us at 3 in the morning, panicked because they'd accidentally deleted their distribution groups. For this organization, this is a large healthcare organization. Their distribution groups were set up to enable daily communications throughout multiple critical healthcare organizations. So in the morning, the emails would flow through these groups in the right way. Communications came out. They'd accidentally deleted them. And the crazy thing is, and I asked one of our technical team, I was like, how easy is it just to delete this? And he said, it's just 2 clicks. I'm not day to day like a Microsoft administrator, but I think sometimes we forget that in our organizations, if someone has privileges, 2 clicks to delete thousands of distribution groups that were set up in a very particular way. So they're thinking, number one, I don't know how to reset these. Number two, even if I do, how long is it going to take? Luckily, they were onboarded into CoreView. It was just a process of rewinding, because with CoreView, you can rewind your configuration state back to where it was, and everything was fine. But it's just a great example that administrators make mistakes.